The following is filmed in front of a live audience. There is our Malibu arriving. We are the only canoers. There's a gale warning at 12 o'clock. You ready, Michael? She's saying right now these guys are the only guys canoeing, and there's a gale warning, and they've never canoed before.
Yes, so say a prayer for us.
Say a prayer.
And if all goes well, see you sometime after 1 o'clock. We'll send in a report.
There it is, Cedar Creek Campground, canoeing down the Cedar Creek.
The Italian, the Sicilian, and the Hungarian.
There it is. There's the Malibu.
But soon we'll be out in the great outdoors, going down Cedar Creek. We got our life jackets on. They had to get extra large for us, and we're going to learn how to paddle a little bit, make sure that we know how to steer, and then we're just going to have a great experience and a story to tell for years to come. Johnny and Miguelito decide to do their first canoeing on a day where there's an advisory. How nuts are these Italians to be doing this? Johnny, turn the camera around so they can see that.
Oh, you know what? I gotta fix the. There it is. Here I am, folks. I'm in the Cedar Creek van. I'm gonna go canoeing down the Cedar Creek in gale warnings. Gale winds 25 knots, 25 miles per hour. The water's gonna rush up the Cedar Creek, and we're gonna be canoeing over it, not under it. Wish us luck.
I believe I can fly.
We are canoeing with the Malibu down the Cedar Creek. We just are coming off of Western Boulevard. There's a lot of water in our Malibu. I'm a little nervous. I'll look at the phone number. You know what? The small strokes is key. Maybe a little more small stroke on the right side for this upcoming branch sticking out. Very good, Mike. Not bad for okay. You're doing really good, Mike. I'm filming you. And you're the only one paddling. We are going east. Okay, I'm gonna stop. Just want to capture this beautiful moment. Left. Right. Left. Michael.
Yes.
What just happened to us?
A tree came down, and we were trying to maneuver around it.
We were close.
But, you know, listen, last time I went canoeing was 45 years ago.
I never went.
And you've never gone. So
No.
it's the blind leading the blind.
Yes.
It is what it is.
There it is. There was the location back there where we had our first fall.
Yeah.
Hopefully not again. All right, now Michael's going to get on the front.
All right.
Can I keep the camera going, Mike?
Yeah, I guess
You
know,
okay
for
with that?
comedic relief if I fall off and you fall off. All right, let's see how we can do it. I don't want to step on my glasses.
You give me your own. Give me, all right.
Got it.
Maybe bring the oar to me, because you don't need the oar. Okay.
You don't think I need the oar?
Nah. Maybe try on the other side. It's a little higher there, maybe. How's vacation, Michael, so far? Yeah,
It was a good call to come on this side.
Yeah, was it? Okay.
My
Yeah.
Crocs are getting sucked up by the mud.
Okay.
Take my Crocs off.
Yeah. Very nice. It's gotta be quick. It's gotta be quick. It's gotta be. You gotta get on quick. Level it off. Like lightning. There you go. That's the idea.
You think so?
Yeah. Let's jump. Like jump on. Like. I would go.
But Johnny, the river. You gotta like stop.
Oh.
Stop. There you go.
Okay.
Just
Got it.
keep us in.
The gale. I feel the gale winds already.
Okay.
Okay.
You ready?
Ready, Mike.
But you can stop the video.
Okay, we'll stop the video. Okay, all right. Michael, how you doing? We are beached on the side of a creek. It's calm here, but right over here is the current and the down trees, and we were flying down off our canoe. King of the mountain there.
I'm full of water here.
Full of water. We are in the Cedar Creek.
All right.
We're gonna try to finish getting back down. Okay. After canoeing down the rapids of Cedar Creek, Crick, there is nothing that Micheal and Giovanni cannot accomplish in life. They are true experts now.